In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 4, exercise 12.1, surface areas and volumes. Observe this question. A cubical block of a side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. So what we are having? We are having one cubical block, and top of this cube we are putting, or we can say surmounted by a hemisphere. One hemisphere we are putting on the top face of a cube. What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? We are surmounting hemisphere on the top face of a cube. So greatest diameter will be what? Side of a cube. Side of a cube will be what? Greatest diameter of a hemisphere. So diameter of a hemisphere equal to side of a cube, and this one is given in the question. That one is what? 7 centimeter. Radius of a hemisphere will be what? Half of this one, 7 by 2 centimeter. Clear? Find the surface area of the solid. We want to find the curved surface area of this solid. So curved surface area, how we will calculate? Total curved surface area of a solid will be surface area of a 5 faces of a cube. In a cube we are having 6 faces, but 5 faces are what? 4 faces are side faces are what? 4 and 1 is bottom face, but top face having what? Hemisphere. So surface area of a 5 faces of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. We require the curved surface area of this solid. So in this curved surface, in this solid, curved surface area will be what? Surface area of a 5 faces of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere plus area of a face ABCD. Top face area of a face ABCD. ABCD is a top face of a cube minus area of a circle. We require the curved surface area of this solid. So how we are getting 5 faces? In these faces no problem. So 5 faces of a surface area of a 5 faces of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere plus area of a face ABCD minus area of a circle PQRS. We are subtracting this circle from this face, then we are getting this and this. So these parts surface area. Clear? How we are getting total surface area of this face minus this circle. Clear? So total curved surface area of a solid will be what? Surface area of a 5 faces of a cube. We are having total 6 faces, but on top face we surmounted what? Hemisphere. So we consider first 5 faces area, surface area of a 5 faces of a cube, and this can be written as 5a square. If a side of a cube is a, then area of a one face of a cube will be what? Side square. Area of a in a cube we are having square. 6 squares we are having. So area of a square is what? Side square. Side into side. So 5 faces area will be what? 5 times of side square plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. This part, curved surface area of a hemisphere will be what? 2 pi r square. Radius we obtained already. 2 pi r square. Now next one, plus in the cube we are having 6 faces, but 5 we included in which, but 1 is remaining. So area of a face ABCD. ABCD is a square. ABCD is what? A square, and top face of a cube, and its area will be what? Side square, a square, side square, minus total area of a top face will be what? A square minus area of a circle. Area of a circle PQRS. Clear? It is not in a curved surface area. So we are removing. So this will be what? Pi r square, area of a circle. Clear? Now put the values and solve. 5 into A is what? 7 square plus 2 into 22 by 7 plus R is what? 7 by 2. Radius of a hemisphere 2 times we are writing plus A square. A square will be what? 5 square. So sorry, 7. A is what? 7. 7 square. 7 into 7. 7 into 7 minus 22 by 7 into R is what? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Solve. This can be written as 5 into 7 square will be what? 49 plus 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So 11 7 ja will be what? 77 plus 7 7 ja 40. 7 7 ja will be what? 49 minus, solve this one. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Multiply both. 11 7 ja 77 by 2. Clear? This can be written as multiply both. 9 5 ja 45, 4 is remaining, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 4 24 plus 49 plus 77 minus 77 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, we are getting 1 by 2. Similarly, 77 minus 77 by 2, we are getting what? 77 by 2. Once we take LCM and solve, then we are getting 77. 77 minus 77 by 2 will be what? 77 by 2. Clear? Add both. What we are getting? 9 plus 5 will be 14. 1 is remaining. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2. 294 plus 77 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is LCM. And 8 2 times it is going, multiplied by 2 8, 9 2 ja 18, 1 is remaining, 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5 plus 77. So add both. What we are getting? 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 is remaining, 14 plus 1 7 plus 8 equal to what? 15. 1 is remaining. 15 plus 1 16. 1 is remaining. 5 plus 1 6. 665 divided of 2. Solve this one. 3 times 3 times 2 times divide. 332.5 centimeter square will be the total curved surface area of a solid. This will be the required answer. Observe again. A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. We are having one cube. Its top face is surmounted by a hemisphere. On the top face we are putting hemisphere, and its side is what? 7 cm given in the question. Clear? We want to find what? Total surface area. Find the surface area of this solid. So this solid having surface area what? 5 faces of a cube plus curved surface area of a hemisphere plus area of this top face of a cube minus this circle. Then we are putting the values and solving. We are getting 332.5 centimeter square will be what? Total curved surface area of a solid. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.